2 दशकां उपरांत बांदोडकार गोल्ड कप फुटबॉल सर्त परत सुरू जाल्या. धुळेर स्टेडियमार जाल्ल्या उक्तावणाच्या मॅचीन साळगांवकार एफसीन गोवा वेल्ला स्पोर्ट्स क्लबाक 15 गोलांनी धाडयले. नावेले जाल्ली मॅच चर्चिल ब्रदर्स आड पुणे एफसी 1-1 ड्रॉ जाली.
सुमार 22 वर्सांनी परत एकदां ही भांगरा ट्रॉफी जिखपाक टीमी यत्न करतल्यो. फरक इतलोच, बांदोडकार गोल्ड ट्रॉफीत आतां 21 वर्सां सकयल्या खेळगड्यांकूच खेळूंक मेळटा. म्हापशां जाल्ले उक्तावणाचे मॅचीन साळगांवकार एफसीन गोवा वेल्ला एफसीक 15 गोलांनी धाडयले.
This was the first match after a long gap, and the team is building well. For the last 11 months they have been playing. This is the end of the season, but the boys have put a good show, and it's a young team. They all play excellently well. They are a team, a good unit. There is no differences. They are not worried of man of the match and all. They just play like a team, and they enjoy it.
प्रुडंटा खातीर श्याम सुंदर फट्टे.
वास्को चालू आशिल्ले AIFF यूथ कप फुटबॉल सर्तीत ब्रेस्तारा राती USAन भारताक 4-0 गोलांनी मारले. ही भारताची सर्तीतली दुसरी हार. सध्या यजमानाचो 3 मॅचींनी फक्त 1 पॉइंट जाला आनी पॉइंट टेबलात भारत सामको सकयल आसा. फुडल्या वर्सा अंडर-17 वर्ल्ड कपाची तयारी म्हणून यूथ सर्त जाल्ल्या, मात भारतान सापूच निराशा केल्या.
Happy about the performance and the attitude the boys showed. I think the first half an hour, 27 minutes until that first goal happened, we were well organized and we did a really good job. In general, I know that we are on the right track. The selection, the players we selected are the right ones. They have speed. But I hope also, let's see this all a little bit educational also. People see now what kind of speed you need in a World Cup on the wings. It's enormous at this age group how fast these players are. And I think we did, really even in the second half, I think we did a good job. But the result of course hurts. In my opinion, a 2-0 today would represent the quality of our team better than a 0-4. But that's how football is. I said to the boys, now we have 3 rest days, which we really need, and then we have a final. Our goal is, and it will stay like this, our goal is to get this 5th match. For that, a win versus Korea in a fresh condition after 3 days is realistic. We will give our best.
भारताचो आदलो विकेटकीपर सय्यद किरमाणी शुक्रारा मडगांव प्रदर्शनीय क्रिकेट मॅचीत खेळ्ळो. 62 वर्साचो किरमाणी मडगांव क्रिकेट अकादमीच्या रुप्या वर्सुकी सुवाळ्याक गोंयांत आयला. गोंयच्या पत्रकारांच्या टीमी बरोबर मडगांव क्रिकेट अकादमीच्या टीमीक तो खेळ्ळो. उदेंत्या भुरग्यांक आनी तांच्या पालकांक किरमाणीन मार्गदर्शन केलें.
Smile everybody. Smile. Come back same. Lovely. Heads. Heads. Yeah. So we win the toss.
where they are heading, how they are good in their academics, how they are good in their sports, and in sports to see whether they are good in cricket, hockey, football, because Goa here, football is very popular, and the footballers and the soccer players there's a lot of money into that. But it all depends on what the child is all about. You've got to live in the interest of the child. If you have got two sons, which you have, right, Doc, see which one is interested in academics and which one is interested in cricket. And according to their interest, encourage them.
हे खबराची त्रास सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंटाच्या वेबसायटीचेरूय लायव्ह पळोवंक मेळटात. नमस्कार.